Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect Walmart to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard. So right now, if you go to the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content. Here you're going to find analytics and marketing and discounts. Here and there's sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and also online store. And lastly, here you're going to find apps. So right now, go ahead and click on apps. And then once you do that, right here, you're going to find all of your installed apps. And in the bottom, you're going to find all recommended apps. Give it a click. And then once you're here, if you go to the bottom, you're going to find get more recommendation in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store, and then you're going to be taken here to this page. Once you're here, just go to the top. You're going to find this search bar. Give it a click and then search for Walmart. Hit enter, and then here you're going to find all these results for your search. So go ahead and click on this one. Set Commerce Walmart Connector. Give it a click, and then once you're here, as you can see, guys, right here, you're gonna find some information about the application. Manage your Walmart selling experience directly from your store or on a single dashboard. So right now, go ahead and click on install. And then once you click on install, you're gonna be taken to this page right here. So once here, as you can see, guys, you need to agree to these terms, click on install, and then just wait for it to be installed to your store. And then once you're here, add your client ID, client secret, and then you're going to be able to connect it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.